We have several varieties of lettuce, Monte Carlo, Paris Coss, and other varieties of romaine lettuce growing. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time visiting, thank you. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you too. I appreciate your support and feedback. You guys keep the channel rocking and rolling. So approximately 2 weeks ago, on the 24th of November, I did a product review on the Growell 2-tier hydroponic system. If you hadn't seen that video, I'll put a link up on the screen for it. At that time, I said that I would do another video showing the growth of the plants. So here it is. Let's get started. So here is the Growell 2-tier hydroponic system. As you can see, we have plants in both tiers. We're going to move closer momentarily so I can show you what is actually growing and how they're coming along so far. So on tier 1, we have 2 cherry tomatoes. Those are the taller plants in the back. In the front, we have 2 eggplants. They have me a little bit concerned because they're small right now and they're not going to be able to catch up on as far as height wise with the tomatoes and the plant next to them, which is basil. And I'm a little worried that they may become leggy, and I've had to raise the lighting so that the tomato plants can continue to grow and reach their height. But as you can see, these plants are doing well. They're doing extremely well, better than what I thought that they would. Of the plants that I planted, all of them have come up, with the exception of one over on the right hand side with the cover still on. I'm probably not going to try to plant anything right now in that one that didn't come up. It's probably a little late to do that considering the height of the other plants. So I'll probably just put a black cover on that and block it out so that the tier doesn't get algae to grow in it or anything like that. So here's a closer view of the tomatoes. We have basil here, and we have the 2 eggplants down here at the bottom. And as I said, these were planted after the eggplant and basil. So I'm a little worried, but we'll keep our fingers crossed and see what happens with them. So here's a close-up of the first tier. We have several varieties of lettuce, Monte Carlo, Paris Coss, and other varieties of romaine lettuce growing. And out of the 30 spaces that we have here, all of them germinated with the exception of maybe 8. So 22 out of the 8 seem to have germinated and have started growing. And the rate of their growth is truly amazing. Every day they seem to get bigger and bigger when I come in to check on them. Now, as far as the vacant spaces here, being that the plants aren't very big compared to the ones in tier 1, I may go back and drop more lettuce seeds in them. The whole tier, all of tier 2 has just lettuce in it. And we will be eating lettuce pretty soon if they keep growing at this rate. And like I said, we have 8 spaces that are open, so I'll probably drop some seeds in here later on today. Here, close-up view of the lettuce. And as you can see, they look very, very, very healthy. No issues. I'm very, very happy with the growth and production of them so far. And as far as the unit goes, I am extremely happy with it. I am very grateful and satisfied that Growell reached out to me. If you are interested in purchasing a Growell 2-tier set, I'll leave the link for them in the description portion and comment portion of this update. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while I gave you a quick update on the Growell 2-tier hydroponic system. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this a 9.5, close to 10. It is extremely practical and will allow you to grow a lot of food inside the home, especially during the winter when you are unable to get outside. For those of you that live in the northern part of the country, you can, as I said, grow a lot of food, and it's very, very, very practical and can help save a lot of money. As you can see, we have, I want to say, 4 or 5 different types of lettuces growing. And once these are fully matured, we can start eating off of it. And really didn't cost us much money at all to grow this, which is great. The same thing can be said for the cherry tomatoes that we have growing down at the bottom, as well as the basil. So I will definitely have my own salad bar inside my home. And that's great to me. That's a game changer. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will, so it's okay to share. And again, I'll put the link for the system in the description and comment portion of the video. So until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. And always remember to give the thanks to God.